이대로 세일 넘버 있는 오지 시대 맞아 맞을 꿈은 아니잖아 세일 넘버 1 아우 저거 아우 넘버 1 나 가차리 세일 넘버 2 가차리 change 위에 두 위에 다 기분이
Only ticket but
Blowing a horn was practiced almost by every Naga villages. However, today with the advent of modernization, this practice is vanishing. Horn blowing signifies different things: celebration, warning of impending danger, awakening call, or bidding farewell to a successful day. It was a proud moment for all of us when Mr. Lavapur from Nagaland was noted as the best horn blower at the cultural meet which was held at Rajasthan. Ladies and gentlemen, today we have 13 contestants representing 13 monks. And to a very interesting fact, we have 19-year-old, the youngest contestant is 19 years old, and the oldest one is 85 years old from Konyak, Morong. We have, this year we have Mr. Vasatova Pro, defending champion 2023. So as I read out the list of the contestants, each of you will be given two chances, and after that, no more, just two chances. So please keep mindful of that. We have the list and the sequence goes: Au Morung first, Kachari, Puchiri, Kuki, Zeliang, Tikir, Lota, Angami, Garo, Pom, Chagasang, Sangtam, and the last one is Konyak. Now to begin with, I would like to call upon contestant from Ao Morong to come and take the stage. From Ao Morong. Thank you. Now we have number 2 from Kachari Morong. Thank you. Now we have Puchuri. Horn blowing signifies celebration, warning of impending danger, awakening call, and bidding farewell to a successful day. Thank you. Now, next we have Cookie. Thank you. Contestant kan monde rakibi duibar chance di ase duibar. Now we have Zeliang. Thank you. Now we have contestant from Tikir tribe. Excellent, thank you. Now we have from Lota Morong. Now we will have Mr. Dasasa Tovapro, defending champion 2022 from Angami Morong. Thank you, Mr. Vesasot will still have the same spirit as 2023. Now we will have contestant from Garo Murung. Thank you. Now we have contestant from Pong Morong.
नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम कब स्टार्ट करते हैं?
Thank you. The contestants are judged on 3 grounds: sustenance, melody, and creativity. Now we will have contestant from Chakasan Morung. Creativity, sustenance, and melody. Thank you. Now we will have contestant from Santan. Thank you. Now we have the last and the oldest contestant from Pontiac Morong, who is 85 years old. Now I would like to call the contestant. This competition knows no age bar, if you have a willing spirit. Thank you everyone. While waiting for the result being prepared by the judges, shall we all give them a round of applause? It is not as easy as it looks. 2024, in the third place, we have Mr. Wang Leo Konyak, the oldest contestant who contested at the age of 85 years. Let's all give him a round of applause. And the first runner-up for 2024 horn blowing competition goes to Mr. Chimpang Pong. And the winner had defended his title since 2023, Mr. Visasoto Verpro.
Second.
From Angami Morong.
Hello, Sushi.
장애 등급 나갔으니까 나가.
अच्छा टाइप रिपोर्ट